Glogster is a creative Web 2.0 tool which is excellent for creating digital posters and interactive multimedia projects. You can combine text, images, graphics, audio, video, and links to websites. Glogster is a platform used for teaching and learning that allows teachers and students to produce creative, interactive, collaborative projects. There are two versions of Glogster, the public interface at glogster.com that you see here, and Glogster for Education at edu.glogster.com. While schools often block external websites, Glogster EDU is normally accessible in the classroom. Just click on Get Started, and Glogster will guide you through setting up an account which you can use for free for 31 days. Once you've set up an account, you'll see a dashboard that looks similar to mine. You'll see a menu at the top where it says Dashboard and Glogpedia. Glogpedia is a library of exemplary glogs created in classrooms around the world categorized by subject. You could use any of these glogs as is or customize them in any way that you wish. For today, though, we're going to create one from scratch. Click Create New Glog. You can choose one of the templates created for various categories such as personal, collages, and social studies, or create one totally from scratch like we are for this tutorial today. We'll create a vertical glog using the blank portrait template. We now have a blank canvas to work with. The menu bar at the top provides all the tools you'll need. You can add text, insert graphic, images, change the background of your wall, or add audio, video, and data. The X closes the toolbar, and the plus sign at the top left redisplays it. We're going to create a concise informational glog about Abraham Lincoln. First, let's change the background of the wall. You can choose from images on your computer, from the gallery, solid color, or search images on the internet. We're going to look at the gallery and choose an image from the papers category. Find one we like. When you click on it, it displays in the preview pane. We're going to just click Use It, and voila, we have a historic looking document. Next, we'll add a heading for the poster. Click the text menu, and we'll choose History and the heading option. Click Use It. Now this may be a little bit confusing because you don't see the text, but it is there. For simplicity, just close your toolbar, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see your heading. Drag it and move it up to the top. With the box selected, double click so you can select the text. And first we want to change the font to Vertigo, and now type Abraham Lincoln. Click outside the text to complete your entry. Like any other graphic object, you can size and place the image wherever you want it. Next, we're going to add a picture of Mr. Lincoln. And if you just go up and turn your toolbar back on, go to Image, and normally you can search for images on the internet if you have the paid version, or you can upload images to your computer and they'll be in your My Images, and that's what we're going to do today. Click Lincoln's image. It shows in the preview pane. Now we want to add a frame to this so it looks a little bit better. Click Add Frame. Again, go to the History category, find a frame you like, and just use it. To save time, we will add the rest of our objects and then size and place them in the desired locations. Next, we'll add a Gettysburg Address poster that I've saved. You would just click Image and then Search Images, and that's how I found this particular image. You click the image that you want and just click on Use It. You can see that it's displayed underneath our box. We'll also add a graphic of an inkwell to add a little interest. Click on the Graphics menu, and again, History, find the inkwell, select it, and click Use It. Now we're going to add a YouTube video of the Gettysburg Address. If you go to Video, you could go to YouTube and then type in Gettysburg Address, which is what I did. And now then you just choose the video. You could add a frame if you wanted to do that. I'm going to skip that to save time today, and click Use It. You can see the video has displayed underneath our box. The final thing we're going to add is a text box to have information about Mr. Lincoln's life. If you go to the text menu, again choose History, find a frame that you like, and click Use It. We're going to close our toolbox now and finish working on our objects. You can see the images are all stacked. We're just going to select and move them and place them, and then add the text to the text box. First we'll select the Gettysburg Address and drag it down to the bottom. And now the YouTube video, and we'll drag it down. So let's size these objects a little bit so that they'll fit a little bit better. We can place them more easily on the canvas. Okay, the anchors right here on the sides of the images allow you to turn and rotate the image if you'd like to. And the inkwell, we're going to just size it down and place it on the corner. And now the YouTube video is right here. The final thing we need to do then is add our text to the text box. So you select the box, double click to select the text, and I'm just going to paste what I've already copied. I'm going to select all of that text and left align it and change the font size to 12. I'm going to click outside, and now my text box is there complete. Now what I'm going to do is scroll all the way to the top and click Preview. This lets me see what the viewers will see. So if you scroll down, you can see what we've got placed. You can see that the YouTube video actually works. There we go. And now we're ready to save our document. The first time that you save it, you need to give it a name and a category and a topic. I'm going to click Unfinished at this point and save. The glog is being rendered now. And now you can see we can either preview it, go back to the dashboard to continue working, or back to edit this particular glog. I hope you've seen enough that you're interested in using Glogster in your classroom. We'll look at a couple of reasons why you might want to consider using Glogster either in the classroom or for your personal use. Web 2.0 tools like Glogster promote development of many skills needed by students and employees alike. Glogster is an excellent tool for presentations and any project requiring information to be presented visually. Blogs spur creativity, encourage collaboration, and enable digital literacy and team-building skills. Project-based blogs promote development of research, critical thinking, and analytical skills while students learn the course material. And teachers can save time and resources by using existing blogs and customizable templates. Another benefit is that Glogster is very easy to use. There are a couple of drawbacks of using Glogster in an educational setting, first being that it is not free. There are some limitations to the trial version. Several pretty important features are available only in the paid version. Loading glogs with a lot of content can take a bit of time, especially if you're on a slow connection. And Glogster could definitely be improved with the addition of tooltips to more easily identify the tools. There are several educational uses for Glogster when you're using a partnering pedagogy such as project-based learning. It's great for small group presentations, research projects, digital storytelling, field trip experiences, and connecting with local and global peers. So in summary, what is Glogster and why use it? Glogster is a platform used for teaching and learning that allows students and teachers to produce creative, interactive, collaborative projects. It's an excellent Web 2.0 tool that allows you to combine all kinds of media on one page and create awesome posters to tell your story. Glogster aids development of presentation skills, collaboration and team building skills. It inspires creativity and innovation, and it promotes research and critical thinking so students can better understand and manage information. Why do you want to try Glogster? Its use promotes those 21st century skills needed in the classroom and beyond.